Hello everyone. In this video I am going to discuss two more problems in quadratic which are very important. The first one is how to solve quadratic inequality. Now what is quadratic inequality? If I discuss with one problem, that is x square minus 2x plus 5 divided by 3x square minus 2x minus 5 is greater than half. First thing, after saying the sum, what I will think, I will just cross multiply and solve it. Don't do it. Please don't do the cross multiplication here. What you will take all the terms in one side like this, and then you will do LCM. If I do the LCM, it will be 2x square minus 4x minus 10, 2x square minus 4 plus 10 minus 3x square plus 2x plus 5, right? So this is greater than 0. So now if I simplify, it will be minus x square minus 2x plus 15 divided by, if I cross multiply 2, it's a constant term, so we can cross multiply that thing. Please be very careful. This is greater than 0. Now this is, if I take minus common, if minus a is greater than 0, can we say that a is a negative term, is less than 0, right? So next line, can we write x square plus 2x minus 15 divided by 3x square minus 2x minus 5 is less than 0, right? So many term factorization for this sum I am not showing you. So x plus 5, x minus 3 divided by x plus 1, 3x minus 5 less than 0, right? Now how to solve this? Just check. What I am going to do this. If y is x plus 5 into x minus 3 divided by x plus 1 into 3x minus 5. First identify the values of x. What values of x? So from the numerator, if x is equals to 5 and x is equals not 5, x is equals to minus 5 and x is equals to 3. From numerator, x is equals to 5 and x is equals to 3. So do you agree that we will get solution of x? Or rather, for those two values, your y will be equals to 0. Is it fine? So if x is equals to minus 5 and 3, y will be equals to 0. One more thing, do you agree that x cannot be equals to minus 1 and 5 by 3 for these two cases? Minus 1 and 5 by 3. This cannot be, right? So now in this sum, put any value of x. Generally put x equals to 0 and check the sign only sign. X equals to 0, this will be positive, this will be negative, this will be positive, and this will be negative. So numerator sign is negative, denominator sign is negative, ultimately the sign is positive. So for x equals to 0, the curve will retain in the positive position. Now if you remember quadratic curve, each and every point it was taking a turn, right? So I will start from there, I will come here, all this point will be covered, I will go there, I will come here, and on 3 again I will go. So the factors involved in this sum, only those points I am covering, right? Later on, if I have time, again I will show you one solve. Now when my y is positive, when my y is positive in this region, that is y is positive in minus infinity to minus 5, right? Y is positive in this region, right? That is minus 1 to 5 by 3, all open interval, because I want y positive. And y is positive when it is 3 to infinity. Correct? If I ask when y is greater than equals to 0, that means I want positive and 0. So minus infinity minus 5, I can include minus 5, so it will be in closed interval. Union. Minus 1 I can include, 5 by 3 I can include. So it will remain as open interval. Though I want greater than equals to 0, but here I can't include that. I can include 3. So it will be 3 to infinity. For this sum, what I need, y less than 0. That is, in this region and this region, y is negative. So the solution will be minus 5 to minus 1. That is 1. And another one will be 5 by 3 to 3. Is it fine? Please be very careful about the sign. If I have time, I will discuss more sum on this. Now next problem, I will discuss the values of the quadratic function. Suppose given is x is real. X is real, we have to prove that 2x square minus 2x square minus 2x plus 4 divided by x square minus 4x plus 3. This cannot lie between minus 7 and 1. So if I take y equals to 2x square minus 2x plus 4 divided by x square minus 4x plus 3, I'll cross multiply. So I'll get x square y minus 4xy plus 3y minus 2x square plus 2x minus 4 equals to 0. What I had done, I have cross multiplied and I had taken all the terms in one side. So if I take x square common, can we write x square into y minus 2? From this two term, if I take x common, it will be 2 minus 4y, right? X common will give you 2 minus 4y, right? And plus 3y minus 4. This is equals to 0. As I know my x is real. What is the meaning of x is real? Discriminant is, yes, greater than equals to 0. Be very careful. So can we write 2 minus 4y whole square is greater than equals to 4y minus 2 into 3y minus 4. So if I take 2 common from these two, so it will be outside, it will be 4. 1 minus 2y whole square is greater than equals to 4 into, if I cross multiply, 3y square minus 6y minus 4y, that is minus 10y plus 8. 4 cancel out. So this will be 4y square minus 4y plus 1 minus 3y square plus 10y minus 8 greater than equals to 0, taking all the terms in one side. Is it fine? So 4y square minus 3y square, that will be y square, minus 4y plus this will be equals to 6y, this will be minus 7, right? Greater than equals to 0. So this is greater than equals to 0. From there, can we write the factorization is y plus 7, y minus 1 greater than equals to 0. So if I will represent in this format which I had already discussed with you, so minus of minus 7. So can we write that y greater than equals to 1 or y less than equals to minus 7? So from the graph that y is greater than equals to 1 and y is less than equals to minus 7, and what I had to prove, the value cannot lie between minus 7 and 1. So there is no value of y which is equals to which is in between minus 7 and 1. See, for quadratic equation there are many more problems. I have tried to solve the basic couple of problems. So just go through it, and if there is any problem, please write in the comment box. I will solve it for you. Thank you.